Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a GMC Savana. First, let's prepare for your journey. It's crucial to understand the vehicle's substantial size, often exceeding 220 inches in length, and its turning radius, which can be over 50 feet. Take a moment to adjust your mirrors and seating for the best possible view. Also, get to know your dashboard controls and any warning lights before you start driving. Maneuvering a larger vehicle like the Savana requires a bit more attention. Its wheelbase, potentially 155 inches, means you'll need to swing wider on turns. Always allow ample stopping distance, as its weight demands more time to halt safely. To build confidence, practice parking in spacious, empty lots until you're comfortable with its dimensions. Proper loading is essential for safe driving. Always distribute your cargo evenly throughout the van to maintain stability and predictable handling. Secure all items firmly to prevent them from shifting, which could affect your balance. Most importantly, never exceed the gross vehicle weight rating, which for many Savana models is around 8,600 pounds, to ensure safety and compliance. For advanced driving, always be mindful of the Savana's blind spots. Frequent mirror checks are key. Regular maintenance is also vital for longevity and safety. Check your tire pressure, oil, and other fluid levels consistently. Finally, adopt a defensive driving style. Anticipate what other drivers might do, and always leave plenty of space around your vehicle for a safe and smooth journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.